The TT platform provides options traders with all the tools they need to view and analyze options markets, identify opportunities, execute trades, and assess position risk. In this video, we will provide a tour of options on TT and demonstrate how traders can use the available widgets in analytics to empower their options trading. We will demonstrate various ways to view options market data and execute trades, the wide variety of strategy creation capabilities, its analytics features, and its position risk monitoring. TT provides an extensive view of the options market, as well as the ability to quickly execute orders in RFQs. TT's options chain displays market data for both calls and puts at all strikes of an options expiry in an intuitive and configurable display. We can easily see volatility, Greeks, and theoretical values, as well as the current market for the underlying futures contract. To place an order for any call, put, or underlying futures contract, we simply click on the bid or ask to launch a floating order entry widget. In this example, set to an MD trader. As we click on different instruments, our floating order entry widget will display the market for the selected instrument, making it easy to place orders. We can also submit RFQs directly from the options chain by simply right-clicking on an instrument. TT's RFQ viewer lets us view all RFQs submitted by market participants. We can pin strategies of interest to the top of the widget, quickly place orders in response to any displayed RFQ, and we can resubmit an RFQ if it appears to be outdated. We are also able to view trading activity in the market across an entire options product family using the Options Trade Monitor. In addition to displaying time and sales data, the Options Trade Monitor includes a robust multi-layer filtering capability that allows us to filter our data down to a specific monthly or weekly product, by trade quantity, days to expiration, strike range, and more. TT also provides a comprehensive toolset for creating and monitoring user-defined strategies comprised of any number of options in futures contracts. TT's Strategy Creation widget gives us the ability to build multi-leg strategies, which can be created in the market or sent to the watchlist widget where they can be monitored and evaluated before being made public. There are multiple methods of using and interfacing with the Strategy Creation widget. We can build our strategies one leg at a time. We can use templates to help us construct strategies. We can seed our strategy using the instruments contained in an existing RFQ, and we can use the strategy creation buttons in the options chain and simply click on the instruments we would like to include. Once our legs are defined, we can choose to create the strategy on the exchange for listing, or we can choose to just watch the strategy privately by sending it to the watch list. When we submit strategies to an exchange, they will automatically appear in the RFQ viewer along with all other strategies that have been created and RFQ'd. We can pin the strategies we're most interested in to the top of the widget, and we can also send them to the watch list, which gives us a more selective view. If we build a strategy and choose to only watch it, it will display in our watch list in italics if it has not already been created in the exchange. For these strategies, we will see an implied market based on leg prices. When we are ready to act on a strategy, we can send it to the Strategy Creation widget, where we can submit it to the market. All Greeks and theoretical values used across the widgets in the TT platform are based on a fitted vol curve calculated using industry-standard options models. By default, this vol curve is calculated by TT, but users have the ability to make adjustments to these volatility calculations. TT's Vol Curve Manager lets us view vol curves in bid, ask, settle, and midpoint data for the expiries of an options product family. TT also records volatility data to provide 2 days' worth of historical at-the-money vol. TT uses a fitted vol curve to calculate our Greeks and theoretical values. With the Vol Curve Manager, we have the option to create our own vol curve for these calculations. We can factor in days out, as well as interest rates into our vol curve calculation. We can also adjust the placement of the control points used to calculate the curve, as well as the volatility at those points. Once we save our curve, it will be used to calculate the Greeks and theoretical values across all of our options widgets. With options on TT, besides being able to see our positions, we can see our P&L in terms of theoretical value. Furthermore, we can apply what-if scenarios to these calculations to see how our portfolio performs under a variety of price and volatility fluctuations. Our Options Risk widget organizes options contracts together with their underlying futures contracts and displays their information in a manner that better illustrates the overall position and risk. We can see our Greeks and P&L for our individual options positions, as well as aggregate Greeks and P&L at the product family, futures contract, and options expiry levels. We also have the ability to view the performance of our portfolio by adding shocks to our underlying price and volatility to simulate changes in the market. The Options Risk Matrix lets us view the performance of our portfolio under multiple user-defined scenarios. We can enter a series of price changes to the underlying, as well as changes in volatility, and see their effect on our P&L in Greeks. As you can see, the TT platform includes the analytics and visualization tools that options traders need to identify trading opportunities, execute trades, and manage their options portfolios. For more information, visit our website at tradingtechnologies.com.